Sorry, we don't have a public address system, so you have to get in as close as you can to hear the few words I have to say. Welcome to the 14th Ward. It seems like only days ago that we gathered on this very site for the dedication of this impressive structure. Actually, the date was February 26th. And Mr. Flood was present to join in the celebration of the culmination of a dream. He was so proud of this facility and what it represented to the Flood companies and the determination to overcome the obstacles to its approval and construction. Now, we pay tribute to his memory by dedicating the street on which this dream became a reality. The William Flood Way, which will exist here for decades to come, marks a Chicago legend. His children, his grandchildren, his great-grandchildren, as well as future generations, can view these street signs with great pride in their ancestry. All law students learn a Latin phrase, which is often included in legal pleadings. Over a half century ago, when I attended law school, I too was taught that phrase. In Latin, it is sui generis, which means one of a kind. Truly, Bill Flood was sui generis. He was one of a kind as a citizen, one of a kind as a husband, one of a kind as a father and grandfather. And he was sui generis as a faithful Catholic gentleman. He too was sui generis as a business leader who envisioned a company which has become a leader in a very competitive and challenging industry. This plant is a wonderful addition to our community. Now, we together will unveil the street signs which pay tribute to Bill's vision, imagination, and determination. And I think Bill